Hi, I'm Marie, and today we're going to be translating text in Google Docs using Docreader. Right now, we're in the Google Workplace Marketplace. We're going to go ahead and search Docreader in the search bar. You can also click the link in the description to get here faster. We're going to go ahead and install Docreader. All right, Docreader has been installed. We're going to go to Google Docs to actually open Docreader. Here you can choose any Google Doc. All right, to open Docreader, we're going to click on Extensions, Docreader, and then open the app. So we're going to be highlighting the translate feature. We're going to select the text we want Docreader to translate. And we're going to click where it says translate. All right, here you can actually choose what you want the language to be translated to. There's many options here. I'm going to click on where it says Russian. All right, I'm going to click where it says translate. All right, here's our translated text. You can actually click here where you want the text to be inserted by clicking insert. Perfect. Or you can copy the text and you choose where you want to insert it as well. Like there. And that was our translate feature. Thank you.